Zero event registration. In many cases, redundant machinery breaks down. This does not lead to production or quality loss, but has to be reported to initiate repairs. These events are classified in ProMISe as so-called zero events. Zero events carry no weight in the downtime analysis, but do appear in frequency report and are the initiation point for the tracing of corrective or preventive actions. If not reported via the ProMISe app or by the SCADA system, an operator can add a zero event in the application. Click on Register to access the reporting screen. Then choose Add to start a new registration. Select the best fitting description from the menu. Make sure that start time and end time are the same. In this way the duration is 0. It won't be counted as downtime, but the event will be part of the improvement cycle. ProMISe, enabling improvement.